Machiegni weche mag ohala. Sikunde primar maromo 13 mayudore kaunti ma Nandi oyudo sir ma tangi mag pi kowuok ka shabiki.com. Nyasi nobagi skul nyiri ma Chepterit kama jokanyo mag shabiki.com norwaki gi mor ka kori gino ni jopuonjre ok bi kale midhiero mag yudo pi maler kendo. Director ma shabiki.com Nyakalondo kod lony manyasani Rural Media Services Fred Afune oyango ni gidhi chwalo tangi mag pi e skunde duto e pacho ka dwaro margi maduong' en bero alwora mar somo ne jopuonjre.
Here when you come, our results will be higher and you will not ask why. You will know it is because we got water and therefore we had more time to study in class. We did not have to run around for water.
Giving a girl child water is the greatest gift. It's a blessing. It's great favor. We say thank you very much. And thank you on behalf of all the schools that are going to benefit from the tanks.
Today we are not just handing over water tanks, we are investing in the future of our children and therefore our country. At shabiki.com we believe success comes with responsibility. Through our shabiki.com na Jamii initiative and Clean Water for Schools initiatives, we are committed to giving back.
It shows commitment to community development. To shabiki.com shows commitment, community development, commitment to community development and responsible gambling.